if we're looking for the mean of a discrete random variable, we're going to use this formula. First of all, the notation. This is the symbol for mu, the population mean. This is mu subscript x, meaning it's the mean of the random variable x. The formula for it is the summation of each value of x multiplied by its corresponding probability. So here is a probability table. Here are the 6 different values of x and their corresponding probabilities. To calculate the mean of this, we're going to multiply each value of x times its probability and add up the total. So this is the formula again. And each value, so 0 times 0.06, plus 1 times 0.58, and so forth. And these add up to 1.49. So the mean of this distribution x is 1.49. Now, because we can't actually get the value of 1.49 just on average, that's what we would expect. Similarly, if we flipped a coin 3 times, we would expect to see 1.5 heads in the long run. So our expected value here is the value of whatever that random variable is going to be in the long run. So sometimes we look at it as mu sub x, other times we look at it as this capital E of x, meaning the expected value of x. They stand for the same thing. Here's one with the notation of the expected value of x. This is a life insurance policy, and they're going to collect $530 per person who buys the policy, and they're going to pay out $250,000 for anybody who dies in the term. Now, we also have the probability that someone is going to survive that year, and it's this 0.99791, so there's a very high chance that the person is going to survive. The probability that they're going to die is the complement of this, which, so 1 minus this 0.99791 comes out to 0.00209. So if they survive, they collect a net 530 from the people. If the person does not survive, they end up paying out $249,470, so we leave this as a negative value. So the expected value of the policy per person is going to be the probability that somebody survives multiplied by the value they're going to get, so 530 times the probability that the person survives, and they're going to add that to negative 249,470, which is the payout minus the premium, multiplied by the probability that a person dies. And that comes out to about $7.50.